traveling is widely acknowledged as one of the most rewarding pursuits a person can engage in. For many, it serves as far more than a temporary escape from daily routines. It represents a profound opportunity to broaden one's horizons, challenge personal perspectives, and immerse oneself in unfamiliar cultures. However, the success of any venture depends heavily on thorough preparation. Seasoned travelers understand that a stress-free journey begins long before departure. Crafting a comprehensive checklist is essential to prevent leaving critical items behind. When organizing your luggage, it is wise to select versatile layers that can accommodate unpredictable weather patterns, alongside broken-in footwear suitable for extensive walking. Furthermore, ensuring your passport is valid is absolutely necessary. Depending on the distance of your destination, you might opt for a long-distance coach, arrange a private taxi, take a flight, or commute by rail. Later on, reaching the hotel will bring you to the reception desk for the check-in process. The receptionist will greet you, verify your booking confirmation on the system, and request a valid form of identification. Once the administration details are finalized, you are issued an electronic key. When you reach your room, you can use this time to unpack, freshen up, and recover from your journey. As soon as you are ready, you can step outside to explore the city as an independent traveler. There is an undeniable thrill in wandering through historic neighborhoods and seeking out iconic landmarks. Whether you are wandering through local museums or simply people watching, taking photos to look back on is an excellent idea on a trip. By late afternoon, hours of exploration will likely leave you feeling depleted and hungry. This is the ideal time to seek out a local cafe or an authentic eatery situated well away from the commercialized tourist traps. It is always a great idea to try local dishes. Trying local delicacies not only satisfies your appetite, but also provides insight into the history of the area. Before returning to your hotel to wind down for the evening, browsing local artisan shops for unique souvenirs is a worthwhile tradition. Selecting meaningful tokens for friends and family shows thoughtfulness and allows you to share a piece of your journey. Ultimately, every journey we embark on is a magnificent opportunity to step outside our comfort zones, adapt to new environments, and return home with a significantly enriched worldview. Questions. Where did you go on your last holiday? Did you travel there by plane? Tell me about some of the things you saw. Did you visit any museums? Did you stay at a nice hotel? Practice your English writing by telling me in the comment section.